Good morning, students. Today discuss about De Moivre's theorem, part 4. Solve some problems. Most important problem, 7 marks question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0, then for any n belongs to n, show that alpha power n plus beta power n equals to 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. Cos n pi by 3. n pi by 3. Given equation given by x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. It is a form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, c equals to 4. Find the roots of the equation. Roots of equation: x equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so substitute the value a, b, c. Minus b equals to minus 2 plus or minus under root of b square minus 2 square 4 a 1 c 4 by 2 into a 1 minus of minus plus 2 plus or minus under root of 4 minus 16 by 2. Okay, 2 plus or minus square root of minus 12 by 2. Okay, 2 plus or minus square root of minus root of 4 into minus 3 by 2. Okay, by 2. 2 plus or minus square root of 4, 2 square root of minus means I root 3 by 2. So take the common 2, 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2, 2 get cancel, 1 plus or minus I root 3. Okay, here alpha comma beta are the roots of equation. Then alpha equals to 1 plus I root 3, beta equal to 1 minus I root 3, 1 minus I root 3. Okay, now find the value of alpha power n plus beta power n. Here, so now consider so alpha power n plus beta power n. Alpha power n plus beta power n. Alpha means first find the value of alpha power n. Alpha equals to 1 plus I root 3 power n. Multiply and divide by under root of real part a square 1 square root 3 whole square. Square root of 1 plus 3 equals to 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Okay, 2 of 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 whole power n. Okay, 2 power n. Real part 1 by 2 in cos terms, cos pi by 2, 1 by 2 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 in sin terms root 3 by 2 whole power n by using De Moivre's law, 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. Okay, question number 1. And beta power n, what is the beta? 1 minus I root 3 power n. So multiply, same, multiply and divide with divide by square root of 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square, under root of 1 plus 3 equals to 2. Okay, 2 into 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2i whole power n. 2 power n in cos terms, cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 whole power n by using De Moivre's law. 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Okay, 2. Now alpha power n plus beta power n equal to, what is the alpha? 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus beta means 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Okay, take the common, 2 power n cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Minus sign plus sign cancel. Okay, 2 power n into cos 2 cos n pi by 3. Bases are equal, then power should be added. 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. N pi by 3, most important problem. So okay, if n is an integer and z equals to 6 theta, theta is not equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, then show that z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1 equals to I tan n theta. This is also most important problem, long answer question. So given that z n is an integer and z equals to 6 theta means cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, consider the value z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. Okay, here what is the z? Z equals to cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2n minus 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2n plus 1. Okay, so by using De Moivre's law, cos theta 2n అంటే 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta minus 1 by cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta plus 1. Okay, plus cos minus cos 2n theta minus 1, so minus 1 plus cos 2n theta minus 1 plus 2 cos n theta plus I sin 2n theta by plus 1 cos 2n theta plus I sine 2n theta. Okay, so take the common, minus common 1 minus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta by 1 plus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta. Okay, minus 1 minus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 2a, since cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, 2 cos square a minus 1, sin 2a, sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. So substitute this one. Minus 1 minus cos 2a, a means n theta, 2 cos square a means n theta. Okay, plus I sin 2a, sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a by same 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a, sorry, cos 2a, 2 cos square a minus 1. In sin terms, 1 minus 2 sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square a. So minus 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square n theta, 2 sin square n theta. Okay, 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a equals to minus 1, 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a, 2 cos square n theta plus I sin 2a, 2 sin n theta cos n theta. Okay, common minus 2 sin theta, minus 2 sin n theta common. Okay, minus 2 sin n theta common, sin n theta. Okay, minus I 2 sin n theta common, cos n theta by 2 cos n theta common, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, so it's a form of, what is the real part cos, imaginary part sin. Here real part is sin, imaginary part is cos. So it's a change the real part and imaginary part. So simplify this one, 2 get cancel, minus sin by cos tan n theta. Okay, so multiply and divide with I, multiply and divide with I. So I by I into sin n theta minus I cos n theta by, okay, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, minus I tan n theta minus by tan n theta by I, multiply this one, I sin n theta, I into I square cos n theta by cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, minus tan n theta by I into, so I square equals to minus 1, minus or minus plus cos n theta plus I sin n theta by cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Get cancel. Okay, minus tan n theta by I. Multiply and divide with I. Minus I tan n theta by I square. I square equals to minus 1. Minus I tan n theta by minus 1. Minus minus cancel. I tan n theta. Hence proved. Hence proved.